Sing You Are My Sunshine.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms.
Yay! Amazing Grace.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. 'Twas blind, but now I see.
Yay! Sing that Christmas song I like.
What? Joy to the World?
No. The one, Boogie.
Which one?
I don't know what it is. The Christ, that song. Whatever that one is.
I Fly Away?
No, I can't remember what it is.
Joy to
Come
the world.
all ye faithful. No, that's what I like.
Come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh come ye to Bethlehem. Come and adore him, Christ the King of angels. Oh come let us adore him. Oh come let us adore him. Oh come let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Yay!
Good job. Y'all did a good job on that.
Oh, good job.
Very good on all of them.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's sing, oh, not again.
Mommy likes to hear y'all
What do
sing.
you want to say, Katie? I don't want to sing. What about, Twinkle Twinkle Star? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay! Good job. What do y'all call yourselves? What's the name of your group?
What's the name of that group? I don't know.
The Mill
Katie.
Sisters?
Yeah, the Mill Sisters. We're the Mill Sisters. Thank you. I have 4. She's 4 and I'm 8.
Oh.
And this is Katie and this is Brooke.
Oh, okay.
Very good.
And we're the Mill Sisters. Come on, Katie.
Oh, y'all are wonderful. Duet. That's so cute.
Oh, man.
Now see, that'll be a thing you'll treasure.